So the only way to change your brakes on an AU Falcon is with a 15mm socket. That's the wrong end. There you go. Put that on. If it does, give it a whirl. No. There you go. Loosen her off. One bolt. Turn less broken now. That one bolt takes this whole caliper off. And we can just change the brake pads. Like so. Hardest part about doing your brake pads, taking them out of the plastic. So a little bit of difference, I guess. Like double, triple.
Next step, all we have to do is push down this one here. Sometimes you just get a clamp and clamp it, but you got to open your master brake cylinder to make it easier to push through. You don't have to, you can just clamp it and push it.
You can just manhandle it. You can just get a screwdriver on that and push it if you want as well.
But depends how hard you
just
want
gets
to
the
work.
piston back in so we can get the brake calipers back in, because these thicknesses are now going to be too fat for that area, more or less. So yeah, the brake pads are in place and this isn't fitting, so I need to push this back so it fits behind here. So I could just get an old pad, put it on and just push this. Now generally I like to use a bit of leverage, so I'll just push it with the tire iron or whatever I got lying around, and I should go back in. So if the piston doesn't want to move, just get a clamp like so, and you just tighten it up. I got a full brake pad there, and it's just closing in the space, going in. You can see that moving. And then let's take it off. Take the pad out, you can see that piston is now in. And it should more or less slip over with a little bit of wiggle and force. There you go. Just like that. Push it in, bolt it back up, you're done. Easy. One bolt brake removal, AU Falcons. Let's go.